Morning all. I thought I'd do a collection for the Sicilian Najdorf, a playlist. I hope you find this interesting if you're a Sicilian player or want to try and play the Sicilian. It's especially useful to play sharp openings to improve tactical ability, actually, because they're full of tactics. The Sicilian Najdorf, named after the Polish-Argentine Grandmaster Miguel Najdorf. So many players have lived by the Najdorf, most notably Bobby Fischer and Garry Kasparov, although Kasparov would often transpose into a shaven ingen. So it begins e4 c5, knight f3 d6. After d4 c takes d4, knight takes d4, knight f6. After knight c3 we have the a6 move. So as Wiki notes here, it deprives white of the b5 square. It prepares later b5 and bishop b7 usually, which can lead to all sorts of interesting games. Okay, so here is a collection of videos ordered by view count which relate in some way to the Sicilian Najdorf. So there's master games, there's blitz, live commentary games. So there's a selection here of 25 which may be added to over time, but some classic ones here: Adams Kasparov, Spassky Fischer game 1. So Anna Morozovic, some very heavy hitters on both sides. Hope you enjoy it. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.